Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we're taking a look at 80 level. 80 level is the best place on the internet where you can find good information about digital technology, art, games, and also if you're a talented artist or you're an artist trying to learn, hone your skill, or even get acquainted with industry up-to-date information, then this is the place that you should definitely come through and check out. Meanwhile, there's a freebie at the end of the video, so simply stick around for that. Now, if you go over to 80 level, you would notice that they have a couple of sections where you can find interesting things. Starting off, you can get articles, event workshops, you can check out some vendors. If you're looking for jobs, there's a job board where you can find job listings. And if you're a talented artist or you're an artist that already have a couple of things you want to share your portfolio with the industry, you want to share your portfolio with the world, you can also do that right there. Now, in terms of getting started or learning more about certain things like environment art, character art, VFX material, props, game development, animation, ratings, technology, digest, or even checking out certain events, then you can also proceed to see some of these things here. Now, one of the cool things about 80 level is the idea that they sort of streamline every single thing that you need to know to the barest minimum. So instead of going up and down talking about so many unnecessary things, they just go right into it and tell you the exact details of the things that you need to know. If you're also into conferences and stuff, most of these events and conferences you probably wouldn't see them online, and that is why 80 level actually shares it. So you can check out some offline events, check out some online events, and choose which of them you may want to attend. Of course, you can already see certain events are already going on and you can come through and join these events. Now, if learning is what you want, you can go over to the course section and check out some of the courses that is currently available. Now, it's worth knowing that 80 level is really not responsible for all of these courses. They just sort of bring all these courses to you so that you can get all your information in one place. So if you're looking for a course like environment concept design in Blender 2.91 and Photoshop, all you need to do is just click it and it's going to take you over to the Wingfox section and you can check out these things yourself. You can see as many courses that's available and pick any of them that is of interest to you. Now, for those looking for jobs, you can go over to the job section and you can see a couple of job listings that is available right here. So it also makes sense to note that all of these jobs are being plugged directly to 80 level, so you can apply directly from here. And of course, you can check out the responsibilities, check out the things that you need to know before you proceed to apply. Finally, for those that are thinking about sharing, learning, and also collaborating with several people, then the talent platform is a good place that you should check out. Now, if you go over to the talent platform, you would notice that it's available for both companies, talents, and also for schools. And if you click on the join button, it's going to bring you right back up here where you can click on join today. And right here, you can create an account and proceed to fill in several informations that you need to set up your account. Now, if you're setting your account as an artist, it is very interesting to note that at the point you'll be required to enter an invitation code. Now, the invitation code for the first 100 persons that will go over to 80 level and register is askNK-80LV. Now, this has to be in all caps, and this is the invitation code that you can use to gain access. Now, with this invitation code, no additional verification will be required for you to start applying for job openings and updating your portfolio. So this is a very good offer, and I did reach out to the folks at 80 level to get this, and it is more of a free giveaway for you guys, and a huge shout out to everyone in the community that would benefit from this one. So this is more like it for those who like to go through and check out 80 level. If you're looking for quick updates for news, events that has to do with game development, animation, 3D stuff, or maybe you would like to take a look at certain interviews, read up some article, you just get yourself up to speed with stuff, 80 level is a beautiful hub that brings all these things together. So this is a wonderful one. A huge shout out to the folks at 80 level for offering this 100 activation code, and of course a huge shout out to anyone in the community that will be benefiting from this. Link to 80 level is going to be in the description, the coupon code, and also link to the talent hub is also going to be in the description, so you can check it out and start applying and also fill in that portfolio of yours. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.